I won't go to the party even though I was invited. Even if Alex earned a big salary, he would not buy a fast car. While she was walking, I was running. He had climbed many mountains when he was a boy. You are very late so that we cannot start the lesson. Once I start, I must continue. We arrived after Alex left. You don't need to go unless you want to. Since I see you, I'm better. I don't know whether she admitted to the university. I use water when making pasta, whereas my mom uses eggs. Mary arrived after Alex left. A company is stronger if it is bound by love rather than fear. We cannot go to the holidays because we don't have enough money. He can go wherever he wants. Thanks for watching this video.